Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the contrast theme settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Accessibility button at the left side of the screen to show the accessibility settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Contrast Themes button to the right to show the contrast theme settings at the right side of the Settings app window. Previews of the high contrast themes appear under the Theme Preview section in the Settings page. To apply one of the contrast themes in Windows 11, select the name of the desired theme from the Contrast Theme Setting button's drop-down. Then click the adjacent Apply button. To turn a contrast theme off, select the None choice from the Contrast Theme Setting button's drop-down, and then click the Apply button. To edit a contrast theme in Windows 11, select the name of the contrast theme to edit from the Contrast Theme Setting button's drop-down. Then click the adjacent Edit button to show the Edit Theme settings at the right side of the Settings window. For each listed theme element in the Edit Theme page, click its adjacent Color button or buttons at the right end to set its color or colors as desired. To save the custom contrast theme when finished, click the Save As button below the Theme Elements list. Then type the new theme's name into the Save as a New Theme window, and click the Save and Apply button within it to save it and apply it, and return to the Contrast Themes settings. To delete a custom contrast theme you have created in Windows 11, select its name from the Contrast Theme Setting button's dropdown. Then click the adjacent Delete button. Windows then applies another available contrast theme. You can then change the selected contrast theme if desired. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.